Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited LT, stock number Z8882XX. Only 9,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3 or 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Yeah, not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 9,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large 7-inch touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio as well as climate control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 202 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and again only 9,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.